Namaste everyone. If you ever get chance where you find nature around you, such kind of serenity like I have at the moment. I am here at the Rishikesh Devabhumi. Sound, surrounding sound, you can hear chirping birds, flowing air, flowing water. I am just 30 meter away from Mother Ganga. The serenity and blessings what I can feel cannot explain in the world. I encourage you, ever you get chance to sit in such environment, use the time to do the meditation. It is nothing, just sitting calm and quiet, closing your eyes, focusing on your breath and connecting yourself with the higher soul that is called the Paramatma. I welcome you at my land of Devabhumi to experience a serenity, gain your life full with prosperity and live well. Because this is the life and we call it Yahi Jeevan Hai. Thank you so very much.